Don't make ugly slide in Microsoft PowerPoint as you can see here. Make them instead. And this is very beautiful. In this video you are going to see how I made this. Let's get started. Go to picture, go to this device. Let me insert a picture from my computer. Click on insert. Go to crop, go to aspect ratio and make it 16:9. Click on outside and place it and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Now insert a text box and write your text here. Star Wars. Change the font to Write Us and increase the font size. Make it 66 and make it 138 and increase the size and place it like this. Again add another text box, drag it over here and add text here. Change the font to Lemon Milk, increase the font size and place it like this. Now select the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select all the text boxes. Go to shape format, go to merge shape and click on combine. Now go to shape fill, select this fill color, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape effect, go to shadow and insert offset center. Go to animation, go to add animation, click on fly in, go to effect option, select from right, change the duration to 2 seconds, make it with previous. Go to animation pane, click on the effect option, go to effect option and increase the bounce end and click on OK. And this is perfect. Let us watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.